everyone. I'm just going to run a little test and show you how my ultrasonic cleaner works on some coins that I've dug up. Now with these coins, all I've done, I dug them up and I washed them in warm soapy water. And now I'm going to see what the ultrasonic cleaner does. Okay, here we go. The only thing I've put in the ultrasonic is hot water, no soap or anything else. I'm going to set the ultrasonic cleaner for its maximum of 7 minutes, 30 seconds. And this is after the first 7 minutes, 30 seconds. You can see all the dirt particles at the bottom of the tray, and hopefully you can see them also floating all over the top of the water. And we'll just have a look inside. Wow, that's dirty. All right, we'll give it another go. As the directions say, go as many as 3 times. Round 2, the water's a lot more cloudier. Particles may be about the same, hard to tell. And inside dirt. Now for our last round, round 3. And we're done. We'll see how these go. And here we go. This is the end result. Noticeably different to me. I don't know how much it shows up on film. I'm going to demonstrate my ultrasonic cleaner for you with these miscellaneous pieces that I have recently dug out of the ground. All I did was wash them, the mud off them in warm soapy water, and now we'll see the difference from the before and the after with the ultrasonic. Okay, here we go. All I put in the ultrasonic cleaner is just hot water. I haven't added any soap or any other thing. Here's our first 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That water is dirty. That's all the dirt on the bottom after I pulled the little dish out. I'm going to put this through for a second time and then for a final third time as recommended in the instructions. Time to check out round 2. That'll be 15 minutes. Ooh, the water looks a lot darker to me. I don't know about you. I can see the money clip and the handle from a piece of cutlery certainly come a lot cleaner. Maybe a few belt buckles as well. So we'll take a closer look at this and go for the third and last time. Let's see the final difference. Well, here is our end result. Could be hard to compare the before and after, but I'll put a side-by-side clip and we'll see if there's any noticeable difference. Hope you liked my little demo.